Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to create group chat in Instagram. First, open your Instagram application. Then click the message icon on the right upper corner of your screen and click the plus icon. You are now here in the suggested contacts. You can choose now or search the contacts or accounts that you want to add in your group chat. After choosing, click chat. Here, type your message, any message that you want. If everything is good, click send. Now, all the members in the group chat can see your message. To put the group name, click again the message. Here in the top, you can type the group name and click check. You can also click the See Group Members for more settings. You can add people here and change the theme and even notifications. And that's all. The group chat is all set. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.